Hello Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for next 48 hours. We will see your person's energy towards you and what can you expect. This is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. So, Spirit, for the people who are going to hear this message for Capricorn, your person's energy towards them please for next 48 hours. For some of you, I'm getting your person is very passionate towards you, Capricorn. I'm also getting this person is juggling between you and someone else. It could be their work as well. But I feel this person feels a lack in their finances and this person has some kind of new business idea. For some of you, I'm getting this person in a recent past, this person wanted to start something real, something stable with you. But now I'm getting like this person is a little confused. This is their energy towards you for next 48 hours. But love is there in this situation. This person loves you, but this person is just confused. I'm also getting, for some of you, there could not be a third party, like there could not be a third person, but this person just, like this person is trying to balance their work life and this connection. But for others of you, I'm getting, yes, there is a third party, there is another person and this person is hiding that from you. But this person feels the connection with you and there were a lot of arguments about that. So if you know that your person, like you had arguments with your person about a third party situation or about someone else, then this is your scenario. But if you know that your person is just busy in work and there is no another woman in his life, then just know that this person loves you and this person is just trying to be in a balance with you. But there were a lot of people, there were a lot of arguments, and I feel this person has a lot of work as well. This person feels distant from you, Capricorn. For some of you, I'm getting this person wants to get physically intimate with you, but this person feels distant. For some of you, it could be emotional distance as well, but long distance relationship for some of you. Yes, this person feels you are a drama king or drama queen. For some of you, I'm getting like you fought with your partner because you saw some reading or you had a reading, like it could be tarot, it could be astrology, but I'm sensing like you got some information about a third person and you fought with your partner. For others of you, I'm getting like there is some woman and could be Pisces, but you felt that you got to know the truth about this person or this situation and you could be very harsh when you confronted your person, and that's how your person view you. Like your person feels like you, like this is drama. That's how they view you. But when they think about you, this person loves you. This person loves you, Capricorn. And this person wants to start this again. This person feels that passion for you. I'm also getting it could be a same sex or someone could be having options here. If you are a feminine watching this and if you have fire in your chart, like in moon sign, Venus, anywhere, I feel you have options here between a Scorpio and an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But this person loves you and this person also feels like you have options. If you are married to someone else, then this person thinks like you love this person and this person loves you, and you could be having sexual relationship with this person even if you are married to someone else. So these are their thoughts about you, that this person loves you and this person feels that sexual pull towards you. If you guys have some kind of ending because of arguments, then just know like this person wants to start this again with you and this person is missing that passion that this person used to share with you. This person is not talking to you, I feel, and this person needs healing, but this person is very, very silent, and this person is holding back. This person is just trying to be in a balance, but this person, if this was a third party situation, and if this person has hidden few things from you, like especially about the other woman, this person intends to cut that situation, that person, from his or her life. But this person is still holding on to you, Capricorn, and this person is acting detached. This person needs healing. I'm also getting, yes, same people. Like this situation has 3 to 4 people, Capricorn. Someone could be married here. You both could be married to different people, but something is hidden here. Something is mysterious. This person has a lot of pride, Capricorn. This person is very egoistic. If this person is married, especially to a Libran or Taurus, this person is very drained because of that marriage. And this person want to heal. This person is scared of relationships. This person is scared of a betrayal. This person is scared of an ending. This person is very defensive when it comes to his or her heart. This person intends to talk to you, and this person intends to be very direct with you, that this person loves you, this person wants a growth. And I'm also getting, this is about commitment and marriage, but someone is rejected here. So I'm getting 2 scenarios here, Capricorn. If your person is married to someone else, this person may tell you, like, this person will be very direct, that they love you, they find you very attractive, but they have to reject you because they are in another commitment, so they cannot give you commitment. That's what I'm getting here. For others of you, I'm getting your person will be very direct, and I also feel like this person don't use filter. Like when they talk, they can be very harsh. So I'm also getting like this person finds you very, very attractive, Capricorn, but someone is feeling rejected here. Someone is feeling rejected, but I feel balance is coming in your life, and this person wants balance. This person also feels very alone, and I feel if this person is married to someone else, this person will be very direct, or this person just intend to be very direct, that this person feels very alone in his or her marriage. And this person loves you. This person really loves you. That's what I'm getting here. Even if they're married to someone else, this person loves you. For some of you, I'm getting you could be married to someone else as well. Could be Aries or Scorpio. This person is going to wait for you, and then this person will take a leap of faith. This person is really waiting for you, Capricorn, and I feel eventually this person will reach out to you. This person may travel towards you, and you guys have some kind of ending in a past. This person could be having Virgo or Libra in their chart. I'm also getting like this person will travel towards you. You could also be dealing with someone, Capricorn, like who likes to guard their feelings. I'm also getting for some of you that this person is ready to take a risk with you, and this person will make things right with you. This person is going to think about it a lot. This person is going to be very focused on their finances. And then we have a card of masturbation, a painful ending. Yes, this person, if you feel like it doesn't matter to this person is going through that ending, and because this person find you his or her soulmate, Capricorn, and this person is going to think about it a lot and masturbate. Like I'm getting, they are going to think a lot about this idea, how, like, what if they are going to take a risk with you. But I feel this person will reach out to you, and this person has to make a choice. If you have choices, Capricorn, then this person want you to choose them. And yes, we have a card of makeup sex here. This person is waiting for your communication, and this person is waiting for fresh new beginnings, Capricorn. But I feel if this person is going to reach out to you, the main reason will be like they cannot handle that sexual tension, they cannot wait anymore to get intimate with you. And this is not only about physical intimacy, this person loves you, this person has true emotions for you. We have King of Cups here and with the Two of Cups. This person loves you, Capricorn, this person definitely loves you. But I also feel like there are 3 to 4 people in this situation, 4 to 5 maybe. So, okay, Capricorn, so this was your reading. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.